Welcome back to our channel, where we take a closer look at the most advanced military technology around. The Panther KF-51 is a main battle tank that is currently being developed by Rheinmetall Land System, a part of Rheinmetall's Vehicle Systems division. The tank was unveiled to the public on June 13, 2022, at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition. KF stands for Kettenfahrzeug, meaning tracked vehicle. The innermost layer is made up of all-welded steel armor covered by passive armor modules. The second layer comprises sensor-based reactive armor, while the final layer is made up of Rheinmetall's Active Defense System active protection system. The Pandur II is a versatile wheeled armored vehicle designed and developed by the Austrian company Steyr-Daimler Puch Spezialfahrzeug GmbH, now known as General Dynamics European Land Systems. It is in service with several countries around the world, including Austria, Belgium, and Portugal. One of the key features of the Pandur II is its high level of mobility. It has a powerful engine and 8 wheels, which allows it to traverse rough terrain and reach high speeds. It also has an amphibious capability which allows it to travel in water. Milrem Robotics Type X robotic combat vehicle represents a significant advancement in military technology, combining the capabilities of unmanned systems with combat effectiveness. Developed by the Estonian defense company, Milrem Robotics, the Type X is designed to support and enhance the capabilities of armored units on the battlefield. The vehicle's advanced software algorithms and artificial intelligence capabilities enhance its ability to autonomously detect and classify threats, contributing to faster decision-making and response times. The Type 10 features a number of advanced technologies, including a fully automated turret and an integrated battle management system. The tank is also equipped with a modular composite armor system that provides superior protection against modern anti-tank weapons. The Type 10 is powered by a Mitsubishi Heavy Industries 1,200 horsepower diesel engine, which gives it a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour. Its advanced capabilities and superior performance make it a valuable asset for the JGSDF in a wide range of combat scenarios. The integration of the Joint Precision Effects Module, JPEM, and Stiletto vessel enhances the capabilities and effectiveness of VBSS missions, providing military and security forces with a formidable toolset for maritime interdiction operations. The JPEM system combines a range of technologies and capabilities to enable precise and controlled actions during VBSS operations. It includes advanced sensors, communication systems, non-lethal and lethal weapons, as well as equipment for boarding, searching, and detaining suspects. The integration of these components provides the boarding team with enhanced situational awareness, flexibility, and effectiveness when conducting maritime interdiction missions. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The drone is equipped with a variety of advanced sensors and communication systems, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence equipment. These sensors provide the drone with real-time surveillance capabilities, allowing it to detect and track targets on the ground from a safe distance. One of the key features of the Global Hawk is its ability to conduct autonomous takeoff and landing operations. The Redback Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is an advanced armored vehicle developed by Rheinmetall Defence Australia. One of the primary strengths of the Redback is its advanced protection system. The vehicle incorporates modular composite and ceramic armor, providing excellent ballistic and mine blast protection. The design focuses on crew survivability, with enhanced protection against various threats, including anti-tank missiles, rocket-propelled grenades, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The Redback's advanced armor technology and blast-resistant hull ensure the safety of the crew in high-threat environments. The SB-1 Defiant features a unique coaxial rotor system, which consists of two main rotors that are mounted one above the other and rotate in opposite directions. This configuration provides improved maneuverability, agility, and hover efficiency compared to traditional helicopters. The coaxial rotor system eliminates the need for a tail rotor, reducing the complexity and maintenance requirements associated with conventional rotorcraft. The aircraft features a state-of-the-art cockpit with integrated mission systems, advanced avionics, and multifunctional displays, allowing for seamless mission management and effective decision-making. The Milrem Themis UGV, unmanned ground vehicle, is an advanced robotic platform developed by Milrem Robotics, an Estonian defense technology company. The Themis UGV features a modular and adaptable design that allows for various mission-specific configurations and payloads. Its rugged and durable construction ensures reliable performance in challenging terrains and harsh environments. The vehicle's tracked chassis provides excellent mobility and stability, allowing it to traverse difficult terrain and navigate obstacles with ease. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle is an unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Army. It is a derivative of the Predator drone and is designed to provide the Army with long-endurance, medium-altitude intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, as well as the ability to carry out precision strikes against ground targets. It is powered by a heavy fuel engine that enables it to operate at high altitudes and in extreme weather conditions. It can be used for border patrol, disaster response, and law enforcement, among other applications. The Lynx Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a cutting-edge armored vehicle that combines advanced firepower, exceptional mobility, and enhanced protection. It was developed by Rheinmetall in collaboration with various international partners. Its deployment enhances the operational capabilities of armed forces, providing infantry units with a versatile and highly capable platform for a range of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and troop transport. One of the key features of the Lynx IFV is its advanced protection systems. The vehicle incorporates advanced composite and modular armor, providing high levels of protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The M2 Breadley entered service in the early 1980s, and it has been a key component of the U.S. Army's armored vehicle fleet ever since. It has also been exported to several other countries, including Saudi Arabia, which used the vehicle in the Gulf War. The M2 Breadley has seen combat in several conflicts, including the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. It has proven to be effective in a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, fire support, and infantry transport. French startup Iguana has developed the Iguana Pro, an amphibious boat with two 900-horsepower engines. This vessel can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour on water and traverse various terrains on land, including roads, sand, and rocky surfaces, while conquering inclines of up to 40 degrees. To navigate on land, the Iguana Pro utilizes Kevlar tracks that connect to the hull through robust hydraulic props. These props fold in less than a minute when entering the water. The Hunter Armored Fighting Vehicle, AFV, represents a significant technological leap for the Singapore Army, as it is their first fully digitized platform integrated with advanced C4, command, control, communications, and computer systems. Developed to meet the evolving challenges of modern warfare, the Hunter AFV combines cutting-edge technology, enhanced situational awareness, and improved command capabilities to enhance the Army's operational effectiveness. The vehicle's crew can rapidly transmit and receive critical information, including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR data, mission updates, and tactical orders, ensuring a synchronized and coordinated response. The Freccia Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a modern armored vehicle that was designed and manufactured by the Italian defense company Iveco Oto Melara. It is currently in service with the Italian Army, and it has been deployed in several peacekeeping missions around the world. One of the key features of the Freccia IFV is its advanced digital system, which allows for enhanced situational awareness and communication capabilities. The vehicle is equipped with a battlefield management system, a digital map display, and a satellite navigation system, which make it a valuable asset on the battlefield. The JAS-39 Gripen is a lightweight single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Swedish aerospace company Saab. One of the key features of the Gripen is its flexibility and ease of maintenance, which allows it to operate from short and unpaved runways. It also has a high level of operational readiness, with a quick turnaround time between missions. The Gripen has been widely praised for its cost-effectiveness and performance, making it a popular choice among countries with smaller defense budgets. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is a modern attack helicopter designed and manufactured by Bell Helicopter. The Viper is an upgrade of the earlier AH-1W Super Cobra, with significant improvements to its avionics, weapon systems, and performance capabilities. The AH-1Z Viper is a twin-engine helicopter with a four-bladed rotor system and a streamlined design. It is equipped with advanced avionics and weapon systems, including a helmet-mounted display system, a forward-looking infrared sensor, and a laser targeting system. Boxer Remotely Controlled Howitzer, RCH-155, is a German-made 155mm towed howitzer developed by Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann. It is designed to provide highly accurate and effective indirect fire support to ground troops. It features a modular design that allows it to be easily transported by a range of vehicles, including trucks and helicopters. It has a range of up to 30 kilometers and can fire up to 6 rounds per minute. The howitzer is equipped with an advanced fire control system that includes a laser rangefinder, a digital battlefield management system, and a navigation system. The Docksta CB-90 HSM, also known as the Combat Boat 90 HSM, is a high-speed multi-purpose naval craft developed by Docksta Varvet AB, a Swedish shipbuilding company. It is specifically designed for military operations in coastal and archipelago environments, offering exceptional speed, maneuverability, and versatility. It is constructed using lightweight yet robust materials such as aluminum alloy to optimize its performance. This design ensures both durability and high-speed capabilities while minimizing the vessel's weight. The boat's low profile and sleek hull shape enhance its stealth characteristics, making it well-suited for both offensive and defensive operations. Developed by Boeing, the B-52 Stratofortress first entered service in the 1950s, and has since undergone multiple upgrades and modernizations to ensure its continued relevance on the modern battlefield. With its distinctive swept-wing design, 8 engines, and massive payload capacity, the B-52 has proven itself as a highly versatile and reliable aircraft, capable of delivering a wide range of munitions across long distances. The aircraft's large internal weapons bay and external hardpoints can accommodate a vast array of ordnance, including bombs, cruise missiles, and nuclear weapons. The Altay Main Battle Tank, MBT, is a modern armored vehicle designed and developed by Otokar, a Turkish defense company. Named after General Fahrettin Altay, a distinguished Turkish military officer, the Altay MBT represents Turkey's ambition to establish a domestically produced and advanced armored platform. It incorporates advanced composite armor and modular protection systems, providing enhanced survivability against a variety of threats, including kinetic energy projectiles, anti-tank guided missiles, and improvised explosive devices. The tank's crew compartment is designed to withstand the effects of explosions and incorporates measures to reduce the risk of fire and explosion. That's all for our latest video on military technology. If you found it informative, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments section below.